Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of crude has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of crude can move in the next 2 days. See, there is a gap as we can see in the crude prices, okay, and this gap is at a level of around from 79 to 75.57 dollars. Keep this in mind. If the price goes below a level of 79, chances of touching 75.57 is there, but 77 is a strong support. Keep that in mind, as I've already telling you that 77 is a strong support, so we can see a bounce back can come, but probability is very high that this gap can fill by coming 79 to a level of 75.57. okay, so you have to keep that in mind that once it started moving below this level, chances of touching this is there, but this will 77 will act as a support, so chances of moving upside can be there, but this next resistance, see, suppose if it moves below a level of 79 and trying to touch 77, and once it touched 77 it can bounce back, okay, but the next resistance coming at around 77.5, so it can make and it can move further down. Okay, the first thing is this. The second thing is that there is a pattern forming that you have to understand in crude as well as in natural gas. The same pattern is created after pandemic. What happened that it tries to move upside and there is a continuous downfall, okay, and this downfall is suppose it makes a new high after crossing this particular previous high. It makes a new high and this new high makes a sharp fall, and this is being repeated for quite some time, okay, and now what it is trying to move, it is trying to move in a particular range, okay, it is moving in a range of around $80.67 dollars, and you can see from 3 consecutive days it is in this range. So once started moving below a level of 79, then it can touch a level of 75.57, which is probability. Okay, suppose if the price sustain this particular level, what we can see, if this level sustain, we can see it can go towards a level of around $81.19 dollars, okay, and from there we can see a level of around $81.43 dollars. Before we move on and explain you where the price can go in the next 2 days, if you have any doubt, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description, and a telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. Okay, now suppose if the price sustain this particular level, we can see it can go towards a level of $81.47 dollars. After that we can see a level of 81.76. okay, so once started moving up this particular level, because this is the high of this zone, so once started moving up of this level, then we can see it can cross that particular zone and can touch a level of $82.68 dollars, and from there we can see it can move further upside, and a probability of going further upside is there. Then we can see a level of $83.27 dollars. okay, and once the price move up that particular level, it can go further high towards a level of $84.04 dollars, and from there we can see it can go further upside towards a level of 85.5, and once started moving 85.5, then we can see it can go further upside, and you can check my weekly video where it can go. Okay, but suppose if the price didn't sustain this particular level, what we can see, this is the range. So once started moving below this level, then we can see a level of $80.31 dollars, okay, and once it moved below that level, then we can see a level of 79.85, okay, and once started moving below 79.85 dollars, it can touch a level of $79 dollars, and I've already explained you once started moving below this level, chances of touching 77.93 is there, and from there we can see level of 77.43. once started moving below that level, then we can see a level of $75.73 dollars, and from then the gap will fill, and a probability it will be there that it can go further upside. But if it moves below that level, then we can see a level of $74.55 dollars, and from there we can see it can move further down. You can check my monthly or weekly video or explain if the price move below this level where it can go. So chances you have to understand here, this is the main point where I wanted to explain you. Okay, and if you look at the 15 minutes chart also, you will understand that the price for crude is volatile for this particular day. Okay, as you can see that it has made a high of around $81 dollars, and then again moving in a direction in a range. So probability is high that once it started moving and moved out of this particular range or downside, then only we can see it can go further upside or further down. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs in the description. Okay, now why most of the traders lose money? Because they try to make 100% or 50% of the return in the single day, and they take full risk of their capital. That should not be done. Okay, suppose what I teach in my workshop, suppose if you trading with suppose if you took trading with $10,000, try to trade with 10 to 15% of capital per trade. Take a risk of 0.5 to 1%, that is $50 to $100. If you took 5 trades also, maximum risk will be $500. then once you lose 500, relax for the day and trade the next day, because this is very important. Because $500 will not affect your psychology, because your capital is $10K. Okay, so if you manage this particular thing, then you can do a better trading. Okay, so I teach how to overcome all these things. If you want to attend that workshop, mail me regarding that and we can work out on the timing. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.